How to share any product on eBay to your Instagram story. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any product on eBay to your Instagram story in a fast way. So all what you have to do is go to eBay, and this is the home page as you can see. Now choose the product that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this computer right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner on those three dots and click on them, and now click on share this item. Now swipe up and click on the stories option right here, and this product will be added to your story directly. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.